Okay, there's closer routes here. There's no traffic here. If I follow, I don't know. I'm not sure about the roads. Come with me on an errand for your favorite big YouTuber. Hello you guys, welcome back again to the channel. It's still your girl Divine Okonkwo, and in today's video it's going to be an errand video. Yeah, your favorite big YouTuber, your one and only Lolo on the street of YouTube, messaged me. She called me and asked for something. I should help her and get something. So come with me to the place. Let's go and get the thing. Alright, enjoy the rest of this video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
Growing up, I've always had phobia for traveling, thinking that as I grow I will get over it, but here I am still having the same phobia. I thought that once I started driving, like I know how to driving myself, I will get rid of this phobia. But no, it didn't go anywhere. I will start having this urge to throw up, especially when there's traffic, that the car will move small and stop. I was not myself. My whole tummy was already upset. The only way I can stop myself from throwing up is if I fall asleep. And I won't force that sleep to come. It's not even possible. I won't force the sleep to come. Anyways, here we are. We are already at the place. So let's go in and check out what we came in for. Yup.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.
I did it again. Yeah, 4K shopper. I guess so. Hi. Yes, is this place? Transaction receipt.
This is the place. Yes, excellently.
Okay, you want to show her?
Yeah, sure.
You can just pick the ones you want to show. So when you are
No,
choosing,
I'm doing that thing for my business.
Okay.
I'm a YouTuber, yeah?
I thought you wanted to show us.
Yeah, we'll see show her. What is our shower top?
You have some here.
Okay.
No, she wants office wear, not.
Really, I beg. Do you mind come and... Do you mind? Come and help me bringing this. This one is more like beach something. Please be showing. Hey. you have picked this one. Something that should post. The next thing we hear is sold out. So what is going on? I decided to come myself. This one's a big mistake. Okay, do you have anywhere you're taking me to? So I'll buy the jumpsuit.
You buy?
So I'll buy the jumpsuit.
Oh, we're going for dinner now.
Yes, I'm asking you. Do you have any place?
Yeah, I just said it now. Dinner.
You're intending to pay me?
Sheraton. Her finger is sharp. Oh.
Oh. Oh, I just realized you might be wondering, where did Mommy G.O send me to? Where did Ogum series send me to? Well, there's this clothing brand on Instagram that is located here in Lagos. Being the fact that she's in Abuja, they are running sales, and once she posts anything, immediately somebody have purchased it. So she contacted me and said I should please help her and go to her store. That this one that they are just doing sold out, sold out, sold out. So yeah, this is why I came here. But unfortunately, when I got here, her sizes were no longer here. Like, people have bought her sizes. So they were just having for size 10, size 8. The ones they have for her sizes are not really what she wanted. She wanted a corporate dress, corporate type outfit. So, but most of the things here are exposing outfits. They don't have any corporate stuff. So I ended up shopping some things for myself. This is advantage of having a size 10. No offense though. All right, let's go back to the video.
Try. Find that.
Why are you shifting? Why are you shifting? He said she don't want to spoil the video. You don't have this thing that's in this quality. I'll tag you people on Instagram.
Thank you.
What is that?
The 2-piece.
Thank you. It's not much. She's shaking her head. There's not much. Alright, just be ready. But I have budget. If you exceed my budget, you remove.
It's 15 online. The one is.
Open it. Can you just stretch it open? Let me see.
If you like it, you use it. But if you don't like it,
You say I like it. Even if I like it, I don't like the price. So? You know the Ikeja City Mall?
Ikeja.
City Mall. ShopRite. Ikeja ShopRite. Where is it? Is it far?
Wow.
It's far. come on your face? Why they come on your face? Your fine face now they come out. Stop removing your fine face. Huh? Okay, what? Hey guys, so thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I did not do intro for this video, but I guess I will do voiceover for the intro. Thank you so much for watching. I came here to get 1 or 2 outfits. Like, I'm lacking in outfits, I'm lacking in clothes, like totally lacking in most of my outfits. I've given them out, so I came to get few, and the place is far from my house. You'll be wondering, why did you leave all your and you're coming this way? Where they are doing sales, and as the typical Nigerian girl that I am, I have to go for the one that's cheaper. So they are doing sales. I saw, yeah, now let's get this bed, let's do it, let's go. So I want to ask you guys something. Am I the only one that feels like throwing up whenever I'm going to, in fact whenever I'm going out? Maybe this journey is not that far, but it's far. But if I'm traveling, and especially if I'm sitting at the park, that's why I don't like sitting at the park. If I'm traveling, I find myself always feeling like I want to throw up. Sometimes I end up throwing up, but especially then maybe our bus stops to buy fuel, and then the smell of fuel, trying to pick something from babysitter, the smell of fuel will just turn on my system, and I will want to throw up. Or maybe there's traffic, you know, the way the car will go, and to stop, it will go, it stop. All my system will just be looking at me like, did I do anything? So let me know, am I the only one that always feel that way? Even I thought that, okay, maybe when I start driving it will stop, but it's a lie. Far. I still feel it. I still feel like throwing up whenever I'm sitting at the park and somebody's carrying me. Well, enough of the ranting. This will be the end of this video. Okay, I will see you all in the next one. I want to eat food. I'm very hungry. This is almost, what is the time? 3:59, almost 4. I've not had any breakfast, so we stopped by Chicken Republic to get food. I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch ya. Bye bye.